just want your hair crimped, right? Okay. Great. Tell me if it hurts, okay? Let me know. I'm going to go a little softer, but you have very strong, thick, heavy hair, so I'm sure you're fine. Please don't complain unnecessarily. I am in a rush today. So just let me do this. You're kind of late too, so at least keep that in mind. I would appreciate it. How was your day? You just want large crimps, right? Because that's all I got is my large crimp, and I don't have the small one. So I'm gonna need you to just accept that today. I appreciate it. How was your day? Okay. Tell me if it's too hot. I'm not trying to burn you again. I'm just in a rush. And the crimps might not be as visible, okay? Because we don't have time to sit here and let it sit on your hair for seconds, because I don't have seconds. I don't have seconds, and so I'm sorry. You should have been here on time. I've explained to you in our policy what lateness gets you. You know what? Let me spray. That'll help it a little bit, but again, you might not get the look you want all the way, but it'll be wavy. It'll be wavy. Your hair, honestly, is not even long enough for this. So that's not really my fault. But however it turns out, you'll look beautiful anyway. You're a beautiful girl, so I can still receive my payment because you're on my time. So, and obviously you're actually on your own time because you came when you felt like it and not when we set the appointment. But you know, I'm still doing it, so let's not harp on the negative right now and keep moving forward. Again, it's wavy, crimp, wavy. It's all the same, you know. How are you gonna wear your hair? Are you wearing it down, half up, half down, or what are you gonna do with that? Okay, so why am I crimping it then? I mean, not trying to be rude. Yeah, I'm not trying to be rude. I just, like, it's really a waste of time, don't you think, if you're gonna pull it up? Okay. You know what? It's not my problem. It's not my hair. You do what you want. We also updated the tipping policy. It's now mandatory. We include gratuity. However, there is a mandatory cash tip that every client has to give. And that's because we've been having a lot of people come in here late complaining about not getting the styles that they asked for and not matching the pictures that they're showing us. And you know, we work really hard to make y'all prettier than what you looked like when you came in. So, you know, and I'm really not being rude. I'm just telling it how it is, and a lot of people don't do that. So I'm the reason this place is still up and running, because I do tell it how it is and I get the job done, you know. That's why you keep coming to me, right? I mean, you did not come to me because you're late, and I can't do my best work because I will no longer stress myself out to try to be a perfectionist for someone who doesn't even care about anyone else but themselves. But you know what? We're not gonna keep ranting about you, okay? Let's rant about me. Let's talk about how I got here early to meet you on time. How I missed my lunch break because I figured you would be here on time. I took my last client and to help out the salon because that's just the type of person that I am. And so I figured I could take my lunch after you. After I was finished with you, I know it wouldn't take long, but you're late, so that pushes my day back, and now I'm behind, and I really don't appreciate that you're so disrespectful to me. A lot of you clients are getting real comfortable showing up when you feel like it, and I'm no longer going to tolerate that, so I'm just going to speak up. A lot of the other stylists in here are not speaking up. They're not getting the respect that they deserve. The time that they put into you guys' styles, and it's just unacceptable. So the update that we added to the tip on the payment is very necessary. The fact that you clients don't respect people's time. You complain, you do nothing but complain about your hairstyles, and they say it doesn't look anything like the picture that you showed us, or we're just really tired of hearing it because we know we're a great stylist, and you're gonna walk out of here looking like something every time. But if you don't appreciate it, well, you're gonna get something out of it. Hence why we added the mandatory cash tip on top of the added gratuity to the payment, to the original payment. So I hope you brought cash on you today. Did you have lunch today? No, you're still not talking. Okay. I have a feeling you already ate. And that's why you were late. And now I'm hungry, and you're all full and fed because you decided to disrespect my time and come on your own time when I could have eaten lunch. You could have at least told me you were gonna be late, I'm just really frustrated. I'm really tired of the clients, you guys just thinking like you can lollygag and this is all we do, this is the only life we do. We don't have any other life or family or kids to pick up from school or anything like that. Like, if you make an appointment that you cannot keep, let us know. Texting was invented for these reasons alone, just for hairstylists. That is the main reason text messages were created, to accommodate busy hairstylists that cannot afford to have their time wasted. Like, just let them know ahead of time, It's very, very simple. You know what? I'm really tired right now. You just sitting here not having anything to say. Like, this is not a monologue right now. Like, this could very much well be a dialogue, and you're just sitting here allowing me to continue your hair and don't have a thing to say. So you know what? I would like for you to go ahead and process your payment. It's already set up there on that computer right there. There's a square on the end. You can swipe your card. Whenever it says complete and processed, just let me know. I'll grab it for you. I'm finishing this last piece. Okay, all of your information is entered. You just have to just put your card information, swipe it, process it. Let me know when it's processed. You'll see a green button saying successful. That's it. Let me know. This is just really got my gears grinding. I'm just so tired of careless people and the disrespect and just absolutely no regard for nobody's time and talent. Like, service, like this is a service. You understand that, right? Usually services are done and there's genuine and like thank you, gratitudes, and conversation. You know, I know I'm ranting, but isn't it warranted? It's a good reason, right? You finished? Is it processed? Okay, thank you. Since you've processed your payment, I'm gonna go ahead and brush all this out because I know that it's worth my time. You're sitting here being very rude about it, not saying a word. I haven't even got an apology from you. So, and I'm no longer your stylist. You can go to a whole different salon because I would never even recommend you to a different stylist here because you are very disrespectful and I've had enough. So you can go. Thank you very much.